What up, YouTube or random here checking in. Today I'm gonna show y'all how we change out the rear shocks on this Mercedes C300. Y'all see I got it jacked up already up off the ground. I took a few clips out to hold this carpet in, and I pried the carpet back because we're gonna have to remove those two nuts that's on the top side of that shock there. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. New to the channel, be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Mr. Random. Alright, YouTube, y'all see we got the tire off of the cuff. Next, I'm gonna remove this here bottom cover so I can get to that lower mount right there and remove that shock. Alright, gang, we got that cover down. Y'all see, there go the bolt. I'm gonna take him loose and remove those two nuts from the top side. Alright, gang, we got that bolt out the bottom. Y'all see it right there. I'm gonna take them two out the top. I think that's 13 millimeter. We'll knock that out, and we should be able to pull this shock out of there. Like I told y'all before, that's the two bolts right there, 13 millimeters. Get them out of there. Alright, gang, I was able to pry the shock up out of there. That probably ain't how you supposed to do it, but it came out of there. I'm gonna unbolt these two screws right here. We got another one right here. And y'all can see at the top side that we clear and unbolt it. Alright, gang, we got it off of there, and I'm checking it out. It got a real soft spot. You see that? Like so right there. You push it down. That's the soft spot, and then it start getting tight. So I'm gonna go grab another one and show y'all how we get it installed. Alright, gang, got one of the shocks in. Two bolts at the top, one at the bottom, and they're not tough at the factory, so I wouldn't recommend them, but we're gonna try them out. Alright, gang, I got this one here set up. I put this strap on there so I get the bottom bolt started. I'll take it off and then let that go up into our section. Throw that on, get with you. Got him in there. Come to that top side. Throw those two bolts in place. I mean, two nuts on these studs.